Hi guys, today I'm going to show how to get Xbox app stuck on launching screen. So guys, before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. So our first step is to check your internet connection. For the quick fix, please turn on and turn off your Wi-Fi and then turn it on. The second step is to end Xbox app process. For that, you need to enter into your task manager. Over there, please end task your Xbox application. So once it's done, please close it. Now the third step is to disable VPN or proxy. For that you need to enter into your settings, ODAR network and internet, and then please scroll down, you may see proxy, enter into it and then setup. ODAR please make it in off condition and save it. Fourth step is to repair the Xbox application. For that you need to enter into your settings and then apps, then installed apps, search for Xbox and then enter into your advanced option. Or please scroll down, you may see repair and reset. Please do one by one. Fifth step is to repair gaming services. For that you need to enter into your Windows PowerShell as run as administrator mode, and please copy the prompt in the description and paste it over there. First prompt is to uninstall the gaming services, and the second prompt is to reinstall the gaming services, so that you can reinstall it using that command prompt. It automatically asks you to install on the Microsoft Store. So at the end you need to type exit to exit from it. So sixth step is to reset Microsoft Store cache. For that you need to press Windows R and then type wsreset.exe. It automatically redirect to you the Microsoft Store and reset it. So once it's done, please close it. And our seventh step is to update Windows. For that you need to enter into your settings and then Windows update. For that, check it up. If in case it shows any error, please do check out my video to troubleshoot it. The eighth step is to run system file checker. For that you need to enter into the command prompt as run as administrator mode, and please copy the prompt in the description and paste it over there. And you need to wait until it need to be finished from 0 to 100. Hardly it will take 5 to 10 minutes, so be some patient to wait on it. I'm just speeding up my video. So once it's done, you need to copy the second prompt and paste it over there. Yeah, same, you need to wait for 5 to 10 minutes. It need to be load from 0 to 100. So once it's done, you need to check whether the command prompt as you given is made as successful or not. If it's not, you need to redo the step again. Yeah, in our case it's completed successfully. Yeah. So our ninth step is to reinstall the Xbox application. So for that you need to enter into your settings and apps, install the apps, just uninstall the Xbox and then again reinstall it. So our last step is to restart your PC. I hope you enjoy the video and the issue will be solved. So that's it guys, thank you for watching. For more, subscribe, TechTube. Bye bye.